Okay, so as you can see, it worked. Uh, SDK manager, SDK manager has detected a connected device which is running in recovery mode. I cannot believe this worked. Please select the exact type of the target hardware that is connected to USB port on to bus device 001006 USB specification. I seriously cannot believe this worked. So I'm connected with the developer kit, this one, because I just actually looked through the internet to see how I can use a metal paper pin, oh, metal paper clip, to see how it's done, and I didn't see. I only saw people using jumper cables, and I just looked at the guide because the guide had something like that. The guide had this. You see here, this is a paper clip, metal paper clip. So I just did the exact same thing, and it worked, which is good. So we move. So okay. So Jetson host machine. This is my Ubuntu. Is being detected. This is the target, and it 6.2.2. Why when using SD it said 6.2.1? Well, I don't care. Additional SDKs, Deepstream, I don't need that. GXF runtime, I don't think I need that as well. So continue. All right. So the host components. Say Jetson Jetpack 6.2.2 Linux for Jetson Orin Nano 8 GB developer kit version. So we have the host SDK components. CUDA NVSI SCI, I don't know what that is. Computer Vision Developer Tools. Then we have the target components Jetson Linux. The image, the flash Jetson Linux, and the runtime components as well. And Jetson SDK components, I'm going to select this too. And Jetson Platform Services, I'm going to select this as well. Okay, so everything selected rightly, and what is this? System requires up to 46 GB. Already have that. 13 GB target of 46 GB. I should have 46 GB on my system. Yeah, so 13 GB targets of available disk
Bruh.
disk space during setup. Okay, so download folder and SDKs install folder. Accept, and let's move. Continue. The specified folders don't exist. Home Joe downloads Nvidia SDK downloads from Joe Nvidia SDK. Do you want to create? Yes, I want to create. I think that's created now. Then continue. Okay, so I'm gonna put my password. Okay, so SDK is verifying system readiness to install. All right, so it's installing, so we just have to wait and get back. I'm gonna go and come back when everything is done. Okay.